JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Decula, Georgia this morning. It's about 9:15 and this is a residential job that's sort of a commercial job because this house was converted to a church, a place of worship. And one of my repeat customers who I've done his house a couple times, I guess he's the pastor. And anyway, these are the two worst rooms. So I got some tracking here. Those should come right out. There's a large spot in one of the secondary bedrooms. This is a little odd. It seems like it's a commercial grade Berber in this house. And we got a big old spot over here, some kind. But it is a church, so we'll give him a big discount. Technically, it's 6.5 or 7 areas, but I told him I'd only charge him for 5. So let's knock it out, see how it goes. So this is that large spot in this one bedroom. It was really dark. It lightened up a lot when I first pre-treated it. The white powder you see on there is defoamer because this is Berber carpet, so it is full of soap. And as you can see, this spot is all gone. No extraction necessary. Pre-treat, scrub and vacuum. Okay guys, it's almost 10 o'clock. So this job took about 45 minutes. As I mentioned before, it was a $200 job. As you recall, there were several spots, especially in this room here, which I assume was the living room before they converted it to the church. The sunroom out here had a ton of spots and tracking from the door over there. The bedroom with the big spot, I showed that video. I'll put that kind of in the middle of this video. You know, it all came out as expected. I did want to point out, you know, the spots, we don't charge for spots or heavy soil areas. I hear sometimes people say they don't charge either. But I do know there's a lot of companies out there that do. One in particular, if you've never heard of Zero Res, you know, they have a great philosophy in terms of their primary product. Not talking about their secondary products, but their primary product is a soap-free product, which is great because it doesn't leave the sticky residue like a lot of traditional cleaners and detergents. However, I know for a fact that they charge an extra $40 to $90 per area for spots. So whatever price they quote, plus there's usually a $15, what they call a fuel charge. Maybe they call it a trip charge. I think they call it a fuel charge, which I'm not sure if that's fuel for the vehicle or fuel to run their machines. But we tell people, you know, ask for an exact pricing quote. We have an exact pricing quote guaranteed. If the technician tries to charge the customer more than the price they are quoted, which is sent via text typically, sometimes we email them, then their carpet cleaning is free. So unlike a lot of traditional carpet cleaning companies where they do upsells and hidden charges and all this other stuff, so the customer thinks they're getting a good deal, next thing you know, they're paying 2, 3, 4 times what they thought they had budgeted for. With our process, with our pricing structure, they pay exactly what they were going to pay, or they pay nothing. So it's a win-win for them. And as the consumer yourself, I would imagine you could also appreciate that. And nobody wants to get, you go to a restaurant and you see the prices on the menu and they go, oh, that didn't include cooking, or that didn't include using silverware, or, those kinds of things. So I think I used about 2 gallons, maybe 1.5 gallons actual cleaner on this particular job. Our cleaner is for sale to other carpet cleaners. It's a non-soapy, non-foamy, citrus-based product we manufacture. It's a great cleaner. Doesn't get out everything, but as you're in the business, nothing does. So, appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, as I have said before, we do put people in the carpet cleaning business. $200 in 45 minutes is, not a bad way to make a living. Plus, you get to make your own schedule, which is a lot of the reason people get in this business is, being in control of your own destiny, your own schedule. You work when you want to work, or if you have crews, you make them work whenever you want, and you answer the phone, all that kind of stuff. So, again, this is JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning. OMGFloorCare.com, 404-500-9853. I appreciate you watching. Take care, and keep those positive vibes coming.